Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Get ready to accelerate your knowledge on electric vehicles. I'm here for ElectroDrive news, and today we're driving into Guernsey with some exciting news about new public charging bays. The State of Guernsey has announced plans to install 8 brand-new public electric car charging bays across the Odeon and Salerie car parks. This is fantastic news for island residents who are eager to switch to eco-friendly transportation. But before we dive into the details, let's put this into perspective. Have you heard that the number of electric vehicles on Guernsey has tripled since 2020? That's a significant increase, and it highlights just how popular electric cars are becoming. So, what does this mean for our island's residents? For starters, these new charging bays will make it easier than ever to own an electric vehicle. With 8 brand new spaces available, drivers can now charge their vehicles on the go without worrying about running out of juice. And if that wasn't enough, the States is also investing in 2 new shared mobility charging bays. This means that islanders will be able to book shared vehicles on demand, making it even more convenient to get around. Now we know what you're thinking. Who's behind this exciting initiative? The answer is EVI, our current local provider of electric vehicle charging services. They've been granted permits for the new spaces, and they'll be working hard to make sure these bays are up and running in no time. For all you eco-warriors out there, this is a huge step forward for Guernsey's sustainability goals. As we continue to move towards a more electrified transport network, it's heartening to see the States taking proactive steps to support our island community. And with these new charging bays on the way, we can expect to see even more electric vehicles on our roads in the years to come. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to ElectroDrive News. Stay charged and keep on driving.